Hi YouTube, Roy Marko with Roy Marko's Garage, and today, Burnout. As some of you may know, there's been a call out for car channels to do a burnout to get rid of 2020 and burn out into the new year, 2021. So I have to think, what can I do a burnout with? Metropolitan? Yeah, I could try. I could go through and try it. You can see. Here's my dilemma. You need horsepower, at least enough to spin the tires. You need a set of tires you're willing to burn off. And of course, you know, there's other wear and tear components like a differential and things like that. It's a good idea to have positive traction. Otherwise, you could, you know, wreck the differential pin in the differential. But my Metropolitan probably wouldn't do that. And it's just such a nice car. It's not something you want to, you know, do a burnout with. So let's see what I got in the yard here. Let's see what I can find. Alright, now a lot of you might be saying, hey, take out the old C50 and burn off some rubber. Well, here's the thing about that. I need this truck to be able to use it. If I break something on it, you know, catastrophic, I don't want to do that. The other thing is, these are 20-inch tires, and they're not easy to come by. And I don't have another set or anything to replace them with. So I need to, until I have or an idea what I'm going to do there, I got to keep what's on the truck. As much as you'd like to see me do a burnout with this truck. Also, another issue with a burnout is the braking system. The braking system on this truck is very good. It also has huge drum brakes in the back, which kick in way before the front drum brakes on the front of this truck. Because this truck's designed to haul the chassis. It's designed to haul 18,500 pounds. So if I hit the brakes on this thing, it's going to be a lot to turn that over. And I also have a single line master cylinder, which makes it, when you push on the brake pedal, all brake wheels get pressure at the same time. There's no bias between the front and the back. Makes it very hard to do a burnout, something like this, at least without wrecking stuff. So this truck is out of the picture for doing a burnout. Sorry fans for that. I know you'd like to see it, and well, quite frankly, so would I. But here's the thing. My other cars are projects, and like my gasser, it's not even running yet, so I can't even, that's out of the picture. The 67 Chevelle, it's, yeah, engine seized. I still haven't done anything about that yet, so that's out of the picture. And of course, we come over here to the Hudson Hornet, which, well, as you can see, there's a problem. There's no engine inside of it. So that's yet to be determined, but it does have wheels on it, and I do have to update you on that because that kind of happened at the end of the summer, and well, that's for another video. So what do I have over here in the junk pile but a Chevette that you may have seen in videos in the background, and I could do a burnout right here in the snow. It wouldn't be very exciting, and it probably doesn't have enough horsepower, and here's why. Let's try and figure that out together. I'm gonna get in this car. Okay, so here I am in the Chevette, and if a car does run on my property, it runs. So let me see what happens here. See that? I gotta wait. You know why I gotta wait? Because this engine has glow plugs, not spark plugs. Will it actually start? Of course not. It's a diesel. So let's try it again. Come on. Oh. Let's give it one last go. Let the glow plugs warm up here. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, this Isuzu diesel just doesn't want to. Let's try one last time. That was promising. Hit the glow plugs a few times. Come on. Oh my god, an Isuzu diesel in a Chevette, -6, and it's running. Check that out. Not plugged in. The only problem with this is this car will not move out of its own way, never mind spin the tires. But I'm impressed that this car started without being plugged in this weather. Not to mention it's been sitting since like August, September, like that's impressive. I have to say kudos to Chevette for building an Isuzu diesel. I'll do a video on this car in the spring. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Okay, well, anyway, the Chevette diesel lives, but it's not going to do a burnout. And that leads me to sort of all of the vehicles that I have, other than the daily driver minivan for the family. And I don't really feel like doing a burnout in that because, well, I need that vehicle to be able to get my family around. So, oh, hang on. I do own another vehicle. Let's go. So you guys haven't seen that yet, so let's go see what I got. Okay, so I have this Dodge truck that I parked over at the neighbor's house because I got no more room, as you can see, at my place. And it's just down the road here. Let me just come back down the valley and see what I got. Ready for it? Here it is. I got a 2003 Dodge pickup truck, 2-wheel drive, with a Hemi. That should probably do a good burnout, don't you think? Well, it's been sitting here for a little while, so let's see if it even starts. Get the keys here. Okay. Let's see here. Key ignition. Over. Oh, the wipers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the sound of a Hemi. Well, let's get it over to my place and let's get this burnout underway. Okay, so we have the truck. Great candidate. Now, we just need a dry place to do it. That's not going to happen. The front tires can't be on ice. And these tires are a little bit too nice to use. So, I got to get a couple of, used tires because I don't want to burn the good ones off. Those are good, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with that truck yet. That could be a donor project. Maybe I'm going to fix the truck. I'm not sure. But I do have a couple of old tires that I don't mind wasting. So I'm going to swap those out and I'm going to do a burnout. It gets so cold you can't, doesn't want to do its job anymore. If you're wondering why I'm keeping the truck running, I want it to warm up. Just because I'm doing a burnout doesn't mean I want to blow up the engine or wreck the transmission. This isn't Whistling Diesel. This is Roy Marko's garage. And we might want to use that power plant in something else down the road. I'd like to thank Ty, my friend Ty, for this truck. Thanks, Ty. There you have it. Truck's on dry pavement. Back tires. The front is also on some dry patches of concrete. I got my truck here as the ultimate stop in case, I just don't want this whole thing to, go out. So anyway, we're ready to send this thing. Still smoking, as you can see in my garage here, or block of, should I say, can't see, pretty smoky. Okay, well there you have it, the burnout for 2020 and the Dodge pickup, which leave in the comments below what you think I should do with this truck. Should I turn it into sort of a race truck? I thought about possibly using the engine and tranny down the road in the Hudson Hornet. Time will tell. This isn't the important project right now, but at least you know it runs good. So I just also want to say thank you to everybody who called me out on this challenge. And I'd like to call out anybody who sees this that has a YouTube channel, especially in a local area, Alberta, that hasn't done this already. Let's do one. Let's see what you can do. I'm Roy Marko. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Also, if you like, please subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll keep more videos coming. Happy New Year. Look at that. Wow. That's the aftermath. I didn't run them till they blow, but